What if I said you could back up unlimited seed phrases for just $79? And better yet, you could program the transfer of information or crypto to people in the future as well. This is Sead. Let's see how it stands up. Inside the box, you get a USB preloaded with Sead Tool and a quick start guide. Also included is a lifetime Sead Tool license, 12-month subscription, future updates, and tons of features. Upon purchase, there is a digital-only option, which is easiest for most people. But these magnetic clips on the box are pretty cool. Anyways. Unlike other Sead backups, which require you to write on paper or metal, this USB only contains a copy of Sead Tool. You're probably asking, is it safe? I've been told to store everything offline. That's why when we use this software, we'll be turning off Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth to ensure we're completely off the grid. And all versions of the software are open sourced, using the checksum on their website. If this worries you, it's highly encouraged to fully restore an old device or buy a new device to ensure peace of mind. The device's sole purpose can be for generating Sead backups. You see what I did there? Let's be clear that no data is ever collected, nor is any data stored on their servers. They're fully decentralized, so even if Sead were to disappear, the service would still function. Firstly, we want to download the Sead tool either from the USB or on their website in your personal dashboard. Hopefully in the future, this USB can be Type-C so that I can put it on my phone as well. Then retrieve your personal activation code, launch Sead tool and enter your code. Do note that not all devices are compatible yet. Accept the terms and click next. Select backup. So what Sead does is they take your seed phrase and split it into multiple pieces. They recommend a 3 of 6 backup, meaning you just need 3 of the 6 QR codes to recover your seed phrase. But we won't be giving out all of these QR codes. Some ways to distribute them could be 1 on the computer or social media, 1 in a safe, 1 in the bank, 1 to multiple friends, 1 buried in the backyard. You get the gist. For example, it's really risky to create a 2 of 2 backup, because if just 1 QR is lost, there is no more ability to recover the seed. 3 of 6 gives the optimal chance to gather enough QRs for recovery. Now that we've decided the QR and recovery numbers, it's time to enter our seed. Again, turn off Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. It's possible to enter 12, 24, or even 20 word seeds by clicking next after you're done. Confirm all the words in the box. Make sure they're in the correct order as well. And voila! All QR codes are here. Note that the date, time, and number in the QR code sequence is included. A cool feature is that you can only view 1 QR code at a time to stop any sort of screen tampering. From there, download the QR codes. If you want to customize it one step further, you can add any text or images with the QR codes if that helps with memory or identification. Did you guess it? It's ledger spelled backwards. Restoring is super simple. Unlock the QR codes using webcam, image, or text. Do this offline. Once enough has been added, and using our example, 3 of 6, you can restore the seed. Sead Safe is another unique tool that will come in handy. It lets users store QR codes, personal instructions, or passwords in a decentralized way. Firstly, you'll need to activate 2FA. Go to My Ecosystem and click Sead Safe. Select any file to upload from your phone or computer. Then add a description to identify it later. Click Send to My Safe to finalize the upload. Once added, users can delete, download, or edit the description. Each action will require 2FA, unlike a normal Google Doc or PowerPoint. Now, what really sets Sead apart is called Sead Directives. This feature allows users to program the transfer of information or crypto in the future to people you've chosen to receive it. For example, if a user wanted to provide information in case of death, it could automatically be sent at a designated time. The info could be a video, a PowerPoint, text document, or something else which was uploaded to Sead Safe. Additionally, users can even set conditions through smart contracts to transfer crypto to a loved one on their birthday, graduation, another set time period. The possibilities are endless. One of the coolest use cases is that if you are inactive for say 2 years, that crypto or information can automatically be transferred to trusted people. To sign up these trusted people, they must register on the website, provide 1 or more identities from either low to high security, and are then added to the trusted people's list. What's great is that directives can be canceled or modified at any time. And if this seems difficult and you need help, Sead has created a customized AI coach to teach users everything they need to know about backups. It's worked well for me so far, so definitely promising. Lastly, Guidance Hub has a full list of FAQs, tutorials, blogs, and other details to help Sead users. If you have any questions that aren't answered yet, comment below. Usually in this section, we compare how resistant backups are to heat, corrosion, and crushing. But with a virtual backup, we don't have any of those issues other than some of the QR codes being destroyed or lost. Do remember, we can also print unlimited copies of these QRs and even print them on metal. Some other potential vulnerabilities could be from accidentally connecting online during setup with a compromised device, or from a malicious person gathering enough of your QR codes to steal your crypto. But with physical backups, users are most likely storing them only at home, using the digital Sead solution, where storing QR codes in different locations, reducing the risk of having a complete seed phrase in the house. Think of how easy it could be to lose a one-of-one backup, not to mention that anyone can read your physical backup too. As a newer company, Sead has yet to receive any reviews on Trustpilot. Based on their website, there are a few testimonials. Here's what users have said so far. As a beginner in the field of investment, the Sead team was there to explain everything to me about the purpose of their project and how it can help me at the beginning, but also throughout my life. Even though I'm new in the world of crypto, the team succeeded in explaining the problem that they're trying to solve and the solution that they have to offer. Sead is more than a project. It's above all a team of passionate people. A passion that I was able to feel during the presentation of their product. I appreciate the control it gives me over my assets without relying on a third party. We'll give it some time for users to start giving more feedback about Sead. Let's see how Sead compares to other solutions. Here it is next to the crypto tag Zeus. The Zeus is practically indestructible, but it can only hold one seed phrase for double the price at $149. Next to the Shield Folio Stonebook. The Stonebook costs $45 and also backs up many seed phrases. But along with the Zeus, it has the issue of being a physical copy that's left alone in a home. For limited seed backups, this is a crazy deal. Their QR code system adds extra protection, and the fact that you can transfer info and crypto without needing specialized coding knowledge is a game changer. To grab one, please use my link in the description to get Sead for $79 while it's still reduced. That price won't last long. And a huge thanks to Sead for letting me try out the service. Catch you in the next one.